Today is March 1st, and for me, today is the official day of spring cleaning and decluttering, and I am getting started for a 10 minutes better today here in my bedroom going through some of my clothing. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. This month for 10 Minutes Better, our host Melinda from Melinda Plain and Simple, I will link her channel in the description box below, challenged us to do a clean sweep video. So that could incorporate anything, cleaning, decluttering. You could actually sweep if you wanted to. And just what you can get done in a small amount of time. And right now I have honestly about 15 minutes. I don't know if I'll work the full 15 minutes or not. So I'm just going to pick a drawer in here with some clothing and just start cleaning it out and decluttering and see how many I can finish in the time that I have. I'm not going to rush myself. I'm just getting started and getting a bag together for my 40 bags in 40 days, sorry. So yes, I'm really excited about this. So I'm gonna also link a 10 Minutes Better playlist in my description box below. And it's just the concept of you have a little bit of time, how much you can achieve in that little bit of time. So let's start cleaning out the drawers in my bedroom and going through some clothing.
We are who we are. Why don't I be me and you be you? We're spreading color around us. We're lighting up the sky, it's what we do. We shouldn't care about anyone or anything that brings us down. So come on now, let's be free. Just be yourself. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Try to express yourself in your own way, and we could have some fun. No problems coming in our way. I would like you just the way you are, and you would like me just the way I am, and I would like you just the way you are, the way you are. Oh. Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, what you like, do what you like to, what you like to do. We shouldn't care about anyone who brings us down. Doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do. Do what you like, do what you like to do, do what you like, do what you like, do what you like to do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do.
I want to show you what I decluttered, and I will show you on Wednesday how many bags this took up. But I am so sad. I'm going to part with this hoodie. I wear it like at least once a week, but my husband left a pin in a pocket and it left a stain on the hoodie, and then the pocket of the hoodie is just coming off, and I've had this since college probably, and I love it. So I'm really sad to part with this, but I know that I need to. So there's that. Then I have this shirt. I think this was one of the first Vineyard Vine items that I ever bought, and I just constantly hang on to it just because I remember feeling like really guilty about spending this much money on like a pullover, and it was just like one of the first more expensive items that I purchased, but it just has so much wear and tear, and I just do not wear it. Then I have these brown leggings that I do not wear either. They're a little too big, so I'm going to donate those. And I have these sweatpants, same thing. They're from the university that I went to. I've had them since college. I've always just hung on to them. They were very comfy, but I even forgot that I had them because I never wear them, so I think it's time to part with those. This is like a leisure suit that I ordered from Amazon last year, and I liked it. It was comfortable, but it just was not something that I like even pulled out this season. So I'm going to go ahead and donate that. Next, I have this other little leisure set. I absolutely loved this. It was on Amazon. It was like one of the Prime days or whatever, but I did not read correctly to realize that the shirt is cropped. And like, this is not just a like cropped shirt that just goes down to, like, this is an actual cropped shirt. So I did not feel comfortable. I think I wore it like once, and then I just did not feel comfortable in it. So I'm going to donate this set. Some more leggings. These are some Carrie Underwood leggings. I've had these for a long time too. I always like this little pink because you can match it up with like, you know, something pink, and it's kind of cute for spring. But again, I do not wear them. These shorts, they're way too big. They are just so comfortable, and I think they're Abercrombie, and I've had them. I mean, look at how thin they are. I probably need to just throw them in the trash, but they're just so comfy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of these. Another hoodie. This is a San Francisco hoodie. Again, it just sits there and I do not wear it. So I just do not, I can't just leave things in the drawer just because, you know, I have maybe a memory around it, or, you know, it was something I picked up at a place I visited. If I'm not wearing it, I'm just gonna go ahead and let it go. These shorts, I mean, I'm just not, they're not me. Let's just be honest. So those are going. I gave this shirt this whole winter, and I did not ever wear it. It's just a really thick material, and it has like a neck on it. It would be very comfortable in cold weather, but I think this is the second season I have not worn it, so I'm gonna go ahead and donate that. And then I have this shirt as well, and honestly, it's too big. I think it goes almost down to my knees, and I have not worn this in a couple of seasons as well. And it was kind of one that I was hanging on to see if I wore it this season, and I did not. So under 15 minutes, I managed to declutter 14 items. So I think that is really good. And I think even in a 10 minutes better, a few months ago, I did these same drawers. So I'm really making progress. But anyway, this was fun. So what I'm gonna have to do, since I did not have time to really clean out all the drawers, I kind of want to vacuum them out and really clean them. I will do that at a later time when I have more time. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Remember, just 10 minutes is all you need to make a big impact. As always, have a wonderful day, and remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you guys next week. Love you. Bye-bye.